everybody, welcome to Crash Bushcraft. Today I'm going to be out here just gathering up some cordage. How do you find cordage when you didn't bring any? And we'll have another part to this here later on showing you how to break it down if you need to. But what we have here is just an old standard pine tree. They grow plentiful around here. They have a runner root. You've seen that I just dug around the tree with the stick that I had. And we'll talk about that in another video. It gives you cordage. Now, you can break this down into smaller pieces when you don't need the larger piece. So let's dig up, find the runner root as far out as it goes, and let's see how much of it that we can gather just in a small pinch. We're not going to dig up the whole thing, okay? But you get the idea. Look around the tree. These are very good cordage when you need it in a pinch. So for a small piece of it, you just needed to make some small cordage. The best thing to do is break those fibers loose on the inside so you don't have to worry so much about trying to get it to tear easier or to split apart to make more pieces of it. Oops, may have messed that one up, but she's already split here. But if you take that and you're just trying to keep it as even as possible, using your finger, and if you start seeing that it's going too far over to one side, because she's probably going to pop open right here, but we're going to try it, but you're going to get the idea of it. Resources are everywhere. And before we got paracord, they had to use something, and they just adapted to what they had. And you'll notice that it's very pliable. I mean, the root in itself is. We're starting to get what outside would be normally called as a root, which would be a limb. You see all these little strands as they come apart? These are fibers. They're the root fibers. Now, they're pretty strong, and I'm getting a little off of it here, kind of in a hurry tonight, but which is the wrong thing to be, trying to show someone something. But between work and my new hours and daylight starting to end on us a lot more, the strength that is of these cords are pretty stout. I mean, they're natural. Are they like paracord? No. You want to rappel down a rope? No. You can break it down just as much as you do anything else. It's up to you how far you want to break it down and what you're needing it for. I have seen bow drills made with it. I personally have not. Maybe something you might see come up and just see. But here's the gist of this. You now have some cordage to where you didn't have any to begin with. And there's other. In a pinch, How do you get cordage from a pine tree? Other tree roots work as well. Explore yourself, get outside, enjoy bushcraft. That's the big key. You need to be able to just have fun. This is a 5-minute, 10-minute project. I have cordage, put it in my little forager's bag that I have, and I'll put it up. Well, I hope you got something out of that. I've enjoyed this. I've made several videos. Some of these are going to be back and forth, and you'll see some of them. A lot of them are going to start being aired in October. I'm not sure when this one here will, but I noticed that my daylights have gotten a lot longer or a lot shorter. So I'm going to have to film a lot of things in short increments as I go out and do them. What I wanted everyone to get out of this is bushcraft is about crafting things that you need. It's the craft of it. It's not camping, and bushcrafting has camping as well, but I wanted it to, where I had failed to mention everything in the beginning of some of the videos that I've made, is learn if you lost it. What do you do to be able to obtain your survivability? And I'm not saying you're a survivalist. We're just saying you're out there and enjoying yourself. So if we don't have enough cordage and we needed to tie up a couple of lanterns, we know how to get it. That's the key, is knowing what resources that you have out there and what is available for you. And I have, over the years, if you guys have watched me, seen some of the finer gear out there, and I still have some of it, and you will see some of that gear coming up in some of these videos at a later time. These are tutorials that I'm going to work on to get you up to where if you don't have that or you lost that, can you still be able to enjoy it? And that's my motto, is learn to live without it before you buy it. You'll have so much more fun. Bushcraft is fun. That's what it is, and that's what that's all about. But if we take the fun out of it, you know, it's not fun. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a small increment of a video that's coming up, but it will show you how you can make things on your own if you ever just have to be able to do it. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subbing. I appreciate all the comments, all the likes, the shares, and keep subscribing if you're interested in learning how to start with the basic bushcraft and working your way up and learning primitive skills with that bushcraft, because a lot of it is about that. It's learning to live without everything and making the stuff while you're out there. Speaking of, you'll see this coming up in some videos too. So I appreciate you watching, and I'll catch you guys on another video.